Samsung teased its Galaxy Ring health tracker at Unpacked in January, and here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, we are seeing some more of it. Unfortunately, it is behind protective glass, but at least we can use our eyes and our cameras to show you a little bit more. So as you can see, we have got three colors of the Galaxy Ring. We've got a dark steel color, we've got a silver, and we've got it in gold. Now the Ring is going to come in 9 different sizes, and the larger sizes will actually include a slightly larger battery in order to keep it going for longer. That said, Samsung hasn't really said anything about its key specs, and it definitely hasn't said what sort of battery life we can expect from the Ring. Inside the Ring is where you'll find the sensors, and they'll do things like track your heart rate, track your sleep movement, and various other things in order to give you an overview of your health. And again, Samsung hasn't really talked about exactly what features it's going to have and what health tracking it's going to be capable of, but we do know that sleep tracking is going to be a big part of it. The Galaxy Ring will pair with Samsung's Galaxy Health app, and that will allow you to sync your data as well as get what Samsung calls the My Vitality score. The idea with that is that it gives you an overview of how well you're sleeping and maybe even give you some advice on how to improve your sleep. For me, that's probably just no coffee after 9 p.m, but I didn't really need a ring to tell me that. My wife does. But it'll also measure things like heart rate, respiratory rate, night movement, as well as menstrual cycle and fertility tracking. This is one of only a couple of times we have actually been able to get up close with the Ring, so we still have a lot of questions. Unfortunately, Samsung isn't being especially forthcoming with answers, so we're just going to have to wait and see what else Samsung has in store with its Ring. But for now, all I can do is have a look through the glass and just hope that I get to actually slide one onto my hand at some point soon. But some of us at CNET have already been hands-on, so make sure to check out our coverage of the Galaxy Ring at our MWC page at cnet.com/MWC.